Hi guys, Patras again from Slovakia from our channel. Welcome back, and this video is especially for you, the fans who want to learn how to make kits for Football Manager. Therefore, I wanted to ask you if you have anything special you want to learn. Yeah, I can do many tutorials according your wishes. It's only up to you which way you want to learn it. I can show you again the basics, how to make a kit from a template already made, or how to make an own template if you want to specify on a specific kit design or a specific part of the kit, for example the colors or arms, or how to do patterns, or how to draw lines, horizontal or vertical. It's on you. You only have to say it, and we, or I especially, will make a tutorial special for you, where I explain my techniques, where I explain how I do it, which kind of tools in Photoshop I use. For all of you who already asked at our Discord channel, I give the link, an invitation link to our Discord server in the description under this video. So join our Discord channel, please, if you want to meet us, the All-Star Kit Makers team. We all there. We can share our experience with you also there. And you can also communicate with us. You can ask for a specific pack or league or kit or anything you want. Therefore, we created this Discord channel. It's for you, the fans, to communicate with us. So back to the point, if you want to learn how to make the kits, just write it in the comment below this video, or in our Discord channel. We have a section for tutorials there, so I can explain you how I do it, which tools, as mentioned, I use in Photoshop to do specific kit parts, and then you can try it alone and show us the result. We give you suggestions, not only me, also the other guys, and you can learn step by step how to make kits for Football Manager, and then you can enter our All-Star Kit Makers team. So let us know. I'm waiting for your comments, and greetings from Patras. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.